everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, guys, I am again back with another amazing review of Velo Gasless USDD wallet. So, today we will discuss each and everything about the Velo wallet. So, you have to watch full video till and don't skip any part of the video. So, before starting review, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon button for further upcoming notification and amazing videos on my YouTube channel. So let's start our review about Velo USDD wallet. So here you can have a look for move digital dollars anywhere instantly. It is not financial advice. Do your own research before any investment you made. So you can send and receive USDD guys and USDC globally without needing gas tokens. The simplest stablecoin wallet for instant cross-border payments. So you can also download and you can learn more about the Velo Cash. And here it's designed for simplicity. So guys, these are the features. These are their features designed for simplicity. Everything you need for simple stablecoin transfers, nothing you don't. So here are the features. So guys, you can complete your transaction under a second. Your USDD and USDC move at internet speed. You can send stablecoins to anyone in multiple networks. No borders, no restrictions on your money. So your keys, your crypto, bank grade encryptions with full control over your funds and simple transparent pricings, one low fee covers everything. No need to hold Ethereum, BNB or any gas token. So guys, we will handle all the blockchain complexity. No need to buy Ethereum, BNB, TRX. Just tap and send. Hold USDD or USDC. So these are our features which are instant transfers, global reach, non-custodial security, no fees, no gas token needed, and dollar stable. You can hold your USDD and USDC. Your stablecoin balance stayed back to the USD value. So these are our features, and here you can start in second how it works. Let's know out and let's check it out. 3 simple steps to send USDD without needing gas token. You have to firstly create your wallet, and I will show in later part of my video. You have to add funds. You need to deposit your USDD and USDD from any wallet. Then you have to send it globally. So these are easy 3 steps. Create wallet, add funds, and just send globally. You can enter a wallet address, tap send, and we handle the gas. So here is our global coverage transfers happening now. Watch USDD and USDC move across the world in a real time. And here you can have a view. And so here are our live transfers, which are 215 live transfers and 60 million session volume. And here you can check out our active routes, and here all major chains supported deposit and withdraw USDD and USDC from any network. We handle the gas. So here's Ethereum, Solana, Tron, and BNB chain. So this is trusted worldwide, the simplest way to send your USDD and USDC globally. No banks, no delays, no gas tokens needed. So guys, 2 billion plus transferred, 4 networks, 500k plus users. And here we have frequently asked question about Velo wallet and gasless wallet. So here you can. So are you ready to send USDD the easy way? So here you can also download from App Store and Google Play. So must join our community on Instagram and Twitter. We are available. If you have any question and inquiry, you can ask in their communities. So guys, here you can have a look. Here you have a look for Velo Gasless USDD wallet on Google Play, and here you can download. Here you can check out 50 plus downloads. It's rated, and here you can check out the comments also. Velo Gasless USDD wallet for iPhone. You can also download from iPhone and for Android. So now let's check out how we can install Velo Gasless USDD wallet on Android and how it works on it. So here is our Velo Gas USD wallet, and here I will show on Android. Here you have to install, and here you can see I have installed, and here you can select the language, and here is welcome to Velo. Move your USDD, your keys, your money, ready to start. So here is the option I can create, and here is my password, and I have to confirm my password to create my wallet. Here you can check out I have to unlock, and here you can check out my total balance and receive option, and here is the transaction history. So here is the backup reminder also available for the Velo wallet. So guys, here you can also see, and here is the home page, and my total very easy and simple. I have shown you how you can download and how you can create your own Velo wallet on your Android and iPhone. So I hope you have liked my video. Please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.